Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy, walnut scrub. Take a bowl. Walnut powder 2 tablespoons. Castor sugar 2 tablespoons. Honey 2 teaspoons. Coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Face wash 2 tablespoons. Again mix well. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: exfoliates dead skin, makes skin soft, smooth and radiant, remove dirt, oil and impurities from pores, reduce blackheads and whiteheads, improves skin texture, rich in antioxidants that support healthy looking skin. Apply in this way. Always use 2 times in a week. See the difference in between 2 to 3 days. Now the walnut scrub is ready to use.